And send me people a new video from Alexis Hidalgo Tech. Today I was looking for an accessory to be able to use my Joy-Cons and be able to play a game called Just Dance, which would be just dances. This game is very particular. You play with the joystick tied to your hand, but can your fingers tire your wrist? For having them sustained all the time. So I have decided to buy this bandage or this band that allows me to keep the joysticks tethered to my body. I found these bandages on Amazon for the modest price of $13. There are options on AliExpress, on cheaper Chinese sites, but obviously historically I buy all my houses on Amazon. And I wanted to buy it again on Amazon for all of you. Well, here in our package we bring the only thing needed would be the blue band. Here we have it with the normal colors of the Nintendo Switch 2. Remember that we have a blue side and an orange side, and we have a clear indication of more and less to know in what order. In what orientation do we have to place our controls? Here we have the orange one, save the same one, the same settings. Alright, now we're going to look for our Joy-Con. Here's the Linternet switch, the Joy-Con. We're going to try the Joy-Con with orange, and we're going to try both, starting with the blue. So following our directions, the plus and minus. It would have to be exactly as it says there. If you realize it is not possible in this way, I look for the plus and minus, and I realize that when I turn it there, it does correspond. I hesitated a little here, but you can enter from left to right or right to left, and you enter without any problem. The important thing here is that it fits well, solid, tight. Look what the indicators look like blinking underneath. You can clearly see that they are designed for Nintendo Switch 2. And now let's try the second same indication, and here it was perfect. Now let's see how we can put them on our wrist. Well, here if I put it this way, which is the most usual way, it certainly feels, it doesn't feel so comfortable because my wrist touches a little with the Joy-Con. Well, that's how they would look with both. Joy withstand. I wonder what other games we could play with these Joys with both in our hands, and it seems pretty good. Now we're going to do a test from scratch to see how long it would take to turn on the Switch, put on the Joy-Cons, and also start playing here. Let's turn on the Switch. See, there's the Switch ready. Okay, now I'm going to take the Joy-Cons and I'm going to put on the games that I wanted to try with the Switch to start the games first. And then I'm going to put on the bracelet really here. I stopped to think how it would be more comfortable if I put it on this way. Or if I could also turn it around and put it on another way. That doesn't seem so bad to me. Obviously I would be asked to close my hand a little bit if I put it this way. If I could close my hand without any kind of problem. It's a little annoying at the bottom of the wrist, and the original shape it is, as I had already told you, it's a little annoying, but at the top of the wrist. And so are all my people. If you like the video, share it if you think it can be useful to someone else, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos of this type. Until next time.